Hey guys! And today I am going to be doing something unique. This is a slime kit, right? You can tell this is glow-in-the-dark slime kit. And also, one added ingredient I decided would be funny, a flat Mountain Dew. It's only about half full because I drank half of it and set it on the windowsill. And I have it now, and it's time to make slime. So on this, ingredients needed. Okay, some of this stuff is included. I'm just gonna need to grab the. Actually, no. I'm gonna cut it with a spoon. I'm a genius, am I right? A spoon cut. That was surprisingly easy, honestly. You can tell this is unopened because it wasn't open. That's how I speak, isn't it? Oh, okay. Let's make a snap. Okay. Ingredients needed. 2.3 fluid ounces Elmer's magical liquid included. We have that right here. That's one of the things we need. And then 5 fluid ounce Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue, which is also included. Should we use the roux? Or should we use the whatever color this is? I think it's yellow. Well, let's use both because I want it to be green. Okay, next is container for mixing. That's this. And mixing utensil. That's this. Spoon that I used to cut open the container. And measuring spoons. These things, you know, the spoons that you use for measuring, right? And for this one, we're also going to be using roughly half a Mountain Dew that's been sitting on a windowsill for a month. Now, let's do whatever this is. Okay, so I'm going to set aside everything that we don't need, being only this. This is the thing we don't need. Let's put it in here, in part of the box that wasn't used. Now we don't need this box anymore, so actually we do need it. It has the instructions on it. Okay, so we have all this, all of it. I don't know if it's in the frame, but it's there. Pour out 1 5-ounce Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue into a container. I'm going to pour half and half, because that's what I'm going to do. Actually, no, I don't need this part of the glue open. Okay. Nope, these things don't have the seal things. Okay. Okay, I'm assuming that's around half. Let's just hope that's around half. Yep, assuming that's around half of the other one. Approximately 5 ounces. Add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix. Then add 2 more tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix. Okay, so 2 tablespoons. So that means we need this one. Okay, let's open this up. We're going to use the sink that is probably not in the frame. I honestly have no idea if the sink's in the frame. Tempting not to spill it. Tempting not to spill it. Tempting not to spill it. Yeah. Tempting not to spill it. Tempting not to spill it. Spill it I will not do. Spill equals no. And then we also add a bit of flat Mountain Dew that has a fizz sound because there was air in it. That was probably way too much Mountain Dew. But let's go with it anyway. It's mix time. Mixing is occurring. This doesn't seem to be turning out too well. I expected this to go much better than it is currently going. I don't think I'll add any more Mountain Dew in the next thing. Honestly, we'll try twice. We'll try this twice, honestly. I feel like that can fit. There you go. This doesn't seem to be mixing too well. Is it making slime, though, is the question. So far, this just seems to be a solution instead of a mixture. Should I have another spoon for this? I feel like having another spoon for this would be beneficial. I'm going to grab another spoon. Now I have 2 spoons. Spoon time. This is not mixing very well. Am I making like 2 slimes at once or something? Is that what's happening? Okay, now let's do what it tells me to do. I shall not spill this magical liquid. I don't want to spill this magical liquid. This magical liquid, I won't spill it. And I won't spill this magical liquid. I think this glue won't mix because it's different colors. Somehow it's turning green. Somehow it's turning green. I don't know. Probably the Mountain Dew, but somehow it's turning green. Maybe we'll stick together and make one cohesive slime. Or possibly it will never. I will just have to wait the time. And this is a song that I'm making up on the spot. Maybe it will mix, maybe it will mix, but it probably will not. Spinning spoon in the bowl is mixing with the Mountain Dew. I seriously can't tell, it's turning cyan blue. Oh well, let's keep mixing. I don't know, I guess it's mixing colors. Now it looks so green, it was cyan, it's still the same color. And let's keep mixing. There's chunks of yellow in here. I'm finding out this stuff mixes together. I'm mixing slime, and so I guess singing as well. When I pull this out, you can see his chunks. It looks like a starry night, I guess. But let's keep spinning the spoons, mixing together that slime in quotation marks. It's definitely not slime, but it's something, I guess. Let's see what happens if we... Let's see what happens if we mix in more glue. It probably... Actually, let's not do that. Will it mix together? Only time will tell. It seems like it's kind of mixing together, but not as what we want it to be. It seems like it's turning into fully liquid. I don't know why, but it's made of glue. Is the glue turning to liquid, like more liquid than before? I don't have any idea. Honestly, what the heck is this? I'm mixing this solution mixture thing. You guys get to witness whatever this thing is being created. I'll use the other spoon now, because I already have it in. Let's Seriously, what the heck is this? It's not something I'd like to touch. Spin spoons in a bowl, and the bowl is made of glass. What is this, honestly? I have no idea. Maybe we'll finally see at last. Is this actually making slime, guys? I have no idea. I seriously can't tell. Is this slime? Or is this just some strange liquid? Honestly, I think the solution might be adding more glue. I don't know. What is this? See, I did what it told me to do. Magical liquid doesn't seem to be wanting to mix with everything else. Maybe I just have to keep stirring it. Wait, is this actually working? Guys, I think it might be actually working. I guess the way it runs down the side it does. Let's just keep mixing it. Maybe something will happen. If anybody hears a weird humming noise, that's the dishwasher. Because I'm doing this next to the sink, you know, the dishwasher just obviously need to be close by. I'm wiping off my hands. I prefer not to have this stuff on me. I don't know how I got it on me, but somehow. So I'm going to have a small amount of it on my fingers. Is this legitimately making slime, guys? I have no idea. Is there legitimate glitter in this? Is that what that noise is? That scraping noise? Is that legit glitter? Is there legitimately glitter in this glue? I think there might be legitimately glitter in this glue. There's also chunks of glue in here. Actually, that might be slime. I mean, it seems like it's mixing, right? But I don't know if there's an actual way to tell if this stuff is actually turning into slime or not. This might be a huge waste. Hi, camera. Should I? I think I should. Now let's see what happens when we add more glue. I'll add the rest of both containers as much as will come out, I guess. We will start with blue. Now let's move on to yellow. That's what we want to see. How does this mellow yellow fellow mix with this green? Hopefully it mixes with the green. Oh, that knocking isn't somebody at the door, by the way. That's the washing machine. Tricks me all the time. Yeah. There we go. Got it. It might be turning to slime. I have no idea. stir time. Maybe the glue will absorb the rest of the liquid? That was very funny. I'm a funny person, right? Right? I think it's mixed. I think it's mixed. Just for good measure, it seems like it's mostly glue, so I'm just going to put the rest of the magic liquid in. I should have added less Mountain Dew. I think that might be the problem. Yeah, it's not sitting at the door. That happened. Oh, wait. I think it's legitimately turning to slime, guys. I think it's legitimately turning to slime now. It's just like Mountain Dew, there we know her. Let's just make slime now. Did the Mountain Dew just like disintegrate? So far this doesn't seem too much different from regular slime, besides being, well, thinner. We've already disobeyed the rules plenty. Should I go get more glue? Guys, should I go get more glue? Should I do that? Yeah. I might. Depends on if I can find stuff. If it doesn't give enough time. Obviously, I'm looking for Elmer. It works, but that'd be kind of cool. Nope. Couldn't find any Elmer's glue. I didn't find any Elmer's glue, so I guess I'll just continue mixing this. You know, at some point you're going to put on plastic gloves and actually try kneading this stuff. Is that better? I'm trying to move it into the frame. I don't think I'm doing it right. That's better, right? Right? I think it's time, guys. I'm gonna go get the plastic gloves. Some black powder-free glove. Hand glove. I don't exactly want to touch this stuff, whatever it is. So
heck is this? I'm trying to knead it, but it just doesn't, it's not having it. Yeah, it does not hold together very well. This is like not slime, but at the same time it's interesting. It feels really heavy. Maybe that's the glue. This is like, it has some weight. Normally liquid doesn't have much weight to it, but this liquid seems to. It's very sticky. Or, not really, it just slides off. But there's always like some residue left. Did you guys like my song? I call it Slime Mountain. This stuff is weird. I'm going to attempt to take off these gloves now. Yeah, I should not put this in the in the sink. That would be not a good idea. Trash. Well, it exists. That's something I can say. I don't know if I can say anything else about this. It's not slime. It's not silly putty. It's definitely not Mountain Dew. What is it? Somebody look up like the chemical composition of all these things and then just like give me like the technical term for what this is. That would be funny. Because I only put 4 things in the bowl. This glue, whatever this magical liquid is, technically speaking, they just call it magical liquid because they just, whatever it is, they just chalk it up to magic. And this is Mountain Dew, if you didn't already know, but there's no carbon dioxide in it. That's all gone. No carbon dioxide in this Mountain Dew because it's toxic. You can't put it in the drink unless it's like as bubbles, and all of those are gone. So, yeah, it's these 4 things combined. I mean, if I was a crazed 4-year-old, I could drink it, but since all these things are non-toxic. So, it's non-toxic. I could drink it, but I'm not going to. I said I'm not going to drink it. No, I'm actually not going to drink it. I'm not going to be freaking pressed in. Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't know why it is. I don't know who it is. I'm just glad it didn't turn into flubber. If anybody even gets that reference anymore. I'm only 14. I've seen the movie though, somehow. This video is not for kids. Whatever this is, it's not particularly slime. Just like, it's like wet glue. It's like wet glue, honestly. Did it even make slime? Because I expected it to just be slime with Mountain Dew in the bowl. Since I have this, why would I freaking do that? That is super dumb. Like, this would just, it would just turn into a watered down mess. What else could I do with this slime for content? I mean, it's not toxic. I wonder what would happen if I heat it up in the microwave. I'm gonna talk to my mom about that. Should I? Nah. That was just, I stood there thinking for way too long. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm not dead, I swear. So what else could I do with this? I have this, whatever it is. This Mountain Dew. Two, I guess, kind of empty glue containers. This empty magical liquid container. I have no idea. Honestly, I might dry it. Just leave it out somewhere and just have it just dry. And I'll just see what mess it turns into then. Because I know Mountain Dew dries. It turns into stains and stuff. Right. And slime dries, I believe. I think this slime dries. I'm not sure. But I know at least glue dries. And I don't know if it fully mixed with the magical liquid, so I don't know if it would even be slime technically. So I think drying it would do something. I think it would turn like weird solid something, maybe. That would be cool. Then what would happen if I added water to that? I just came up with a cool idea. If you guys want to see it, go ahead and comment down below that you want to see it. Or like the video. I guess if we get enough likes, I'll do a follow-up video, or you guys see what happens when I dry this stuff. But for now, I think that can be the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Hit the little bell next to it. Once you subscribe, it'll let you hit the little bell next to it. And that's how you get notifications if you want to see more of my videos in the near or far future. And yeah, that's basically all I have to say. I have a series going on Yuke City. You commented, so I did it. Where I do everything you guys asked me to do in the comments. Well, I haven't gotten to anything too outlandish yet, but that rule might change if some of you do some of the things I'm thinking you might do. But yeah, for now, it's everything goes. And yeah, like the video if you want to see the follow-up. If we get enough likes, I'll do the follow-up. And yeah, that's basically all I have to say. Sorry for the sellout, but I mean, aren't you glad I saved it to the end so you could click off the video? So now it's time for the part where I walk over to the camera to turn it off. Okay, bye everybody!